Come spend the evening with me as I grab Chipotle, eating it, and talking to you guys. Thank you, Chipotle, for feeding my belly. You're the real MVP. So yeah, I'm about to head out right now. For today, I am wearing a oversized zip-up hoodie and a pair of blue jeans. Damn, look at the snow. And here's how cold the weather was.
Damn, fucking cold.
Also, the traffic was absolutely atrocious.
Bro, the snow is actually killing me. Ah! Why is the light on?
Enough complaining. Here we are at Chipotle. A lot of people say Chipotle is the healthiest fast food restaurant. I think not. You fatties.
Can I just grab a chicken bowl, please? Rice, white rice. Can I grab white rice?
As usual, I get my white rice with black beans, some chicken, some pico, corn, sour cream, cheese. Got guac this time because I felt bougie, and a bit of lettuce.
Yo, this is so dumb. I've been in the same spot for like 10 minutes. Bruh.
More goddamn traffic. Chipotle for real. So I got everything: white rice, black beans, cheese, guac, chicken. So let me just grab my fork. Now, whoever has Chipotle, let me know if it's good or not and what you guys usually get. But for me, I don't like mix it. Like I do mix it, but like I mix as I go, if that makes sense. Wait, the rice is kind of hard. Do you guys like guac, honestly? Do you think it's worth $3? $3 is... That might sound broke. $3 is kind of expensive, no? Pretty good so far. But yeah, I feel like days just feel so repetitive. Like for me, I graduated from university and I'm just working full time right now. So it feels like there's not a lot of time to myself. And I think I'm struggling to find time for myself. Week by week, it just feels like it's like not going to waste, but it is at the same time. Shit. But yeah, next time I do one of like these talking videos, I want to have you guys ask me some questions and then I can answer. But yeah, so far, like the rice was pretty hard at first, but it's gone better. A bit salty. I'm halfway done right now. This is humble beginnings right here, asking for a water cup, but then actually getting fizzy drink because I don't want to spend $3 and like they don't really care. So. But would I recommend Chipotle? Yeah, for sure. But yeah, this whole like making videos and stuff like that, I want to do it because like for creativity purposes, but to also like kind of document my life. So like not only you guys can kind of look back on it and watch, but I can also look back and go like, damn, I used to be that clapped, but I feel like my job is very extroverted, whereas I'm like very introverted. But yeah, with this channel, I'm gonna post more vlogs. I don't know, I still gotta kind of find what I really like to do, whether it be vlogs, like food reviews, but I don't know. So it's like right now I'm just gonna probably do here and there. Damn, I'm all out. No, honestly, it was filling, but not too filling. I can probably eat like another like quarter. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So let me know what you guys want to see next. See you guys, bye.